Boosting memory is not just for students cramming for exams. It's crucial for adults in all walks of life. Whether you're managing a hectic work schedule, trying to keep up with a busy family life, or simply wanting to stay sharp as you age, improving your memory can enhance your daily life in countless ways. Memory is the mental process that enables us to acquire, store, and retrieve information. It can be categorized into short-term memory, which holds information temporarily, long-term memory, where information is stored indefinitely, and working memory, which involves processing and managing information needed for cognitive tasks. Several factors can impact memory, including age, diet, lifestyle, stress levels, and the quality of sleep. Understanding these factors is the first step towards enhancing your memory. Healthy diet. Consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins supports brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish are particularly beneficial. Regular exercise. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain and encourages the growth of new neurons. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Mental exercises. Challenge your brain with puzzles, reading, learning new skills, or playing strategy games. Activities that stimulate the brain can improve cognitive function. Adequate sleep. Sleep is essential for memory consolidation. Adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Stress management. Chronic stress can impair memory. Techniques such as yoga, deep breathing, and hobbies can reduce stress levels. Mindfulness and meditation. These practices improve focus and cognitive flexibility, which can enhance memory. Social interaction. Engaging in social activities helps prevent memory decline by keeping the brain active and engaged. Mnemonics. Use acronyms, rhymes, or visual associations to remember information. Visualization. Create vivid mental images to represent the information you want to remember. Chunking. Break information into smaller, manageable chunks. Spaced repetition. Review information at increasing intervals to enhance long-term retention. Mind mapping. Organize information visually with diagrams that show relationships among concepts. Incorporate these tips and techniques into your daily routine. For instance, when learning new information, try creating a mind map or using spaced repetition. Stay socially active, practice mindfulness, and ensure you're getting enough sleep and exercise. Improving your memory is a lifelong process that can significantly enhance your quality of life. By understanding the factors that affect memory and implementing these tips and techniques, you can keep your mind sharp and agile. Start today and experience the benefits of a stronger memory.